What's up everyone, welcome back to Khan Technical channel. It is your boy Arif and today we have got something really special. This right here is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver with a massive storage capacity 1000 gigabyte, that's mean 1 terabyte. And this one is bought directly from Sky Mobile. Let's get into it. As always with the Apple, the presentation is clean and minimal, no extra fluff, just pure premium vibes. And there it is, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Just look at the silver finish. Simple, elegant and absolutely timeless. The iPhone 17 Pro Max feels solid in the hand, with that premium Apple build quality we all expect. This is the biggest and most powerful iPhone Apple has ever made so far. Around the back, we have got the upgraded Pro camera system. Apple continues to push mobile photography to the next level. Inside the box, you get a USB Type-C to C cable, some paperwork, and that's it. No charger, no headphone, only classic Apple. Now this model comes with 1 terabyte of storage, which is perfect if you shot a lot of videos, photos, or just don't want to worry about storage even again. Especially great for creators. This iPhone was purchased from Sky Mobile UK, and if you are in the UK, Sky offer flexible plans with smooth network performance and great coverage. Overall, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver color is clean, powerful and premium for every angle. If you want camera test, battery life or full review, drop a comment down below. I will make the new. If you enjoy this video, smash the like button, subscribe the KTC, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Thank you.